Happy New Year, families, learning coaches, and parents. This is Mrs. Truesdale. I'm here to talk to you about what your child needs to know how to do on their own on the computer, especially if you are not there during class time, so that we can have more engagement, the kids can have more things to do, and ultimately so that we can have all the growth that we need for your child to make their goals by the end of the school year. So we have been kind of trudging along that first half of the school year, learning new systems, getting new systems, what seems like weekly, but we have all of our systems into place now, and I need everybody to learn how to use them all. So as a reminder, I am here this week of the 4th for you in the afternoon. We're not having groups, so that you can reach out to me, set up a time to get help if you don't know how to use any of the systems, because we're hitting the ground running next week. Here are the things on your screen that your child needs to be able to do by themselves, especially if you're not going to be sitting right with them during the Zoom. So go ahead and take a screenshot of this now, or copy it down. Pause me and copy it down, because I'm going to walk you through all of these things. 1, minimize Zoom or make me small so that you can open a new internet tab and click the plus sign to do that. Then once you get into the internet, your child needs to be able to access Launchpad by finding the Rock Hill symbol, click on their book bag where all their apps are, and access Seesaw during the class time so that they can do like workbook stuff on the internet in real time, and they need to be able to get into Raz Kids during small groups so that they can read to me in real time. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do all of these things now. So the first thing is Zoom. If we are in Zoom, the very first thing is for your child to be able to make me small. So the best way I can explain it to you is to show you. In the right-hand corner, when you're on Zoom and you're looking at me, in the right-hand corner, they will have these symbols. This is how to make it look like the Brady Bunch. This is how to make it go vertical. And this small, or it might be this one, square will make me into a little square in the corner of their screen so that they can see their internet symbols, their tabs. Once you make me small, they'll still be able to hear me and hear my directions, but then they'll be able to go into other places on the internet. They should only have one tab open. Or maybe you can even open this tab before they even get started with school. Teach them how to do that. But anyway, if it's not open, you hit the plus sign next to the rectangles and it will open a new internet tab. Once you hit plus sign, it will open a new internet tab. So you could get back to me by hitting the Zoom. You could get back to any of your other tabs by hitting them, but we're in the new internet tab. And then if you have logged in to Launchpad before, they should have the symbol of the Rock Hill school system. If they do not, you type in class link. Where is it? .com, and it should pop up your Rock Hill My Apps. If you have never logged into Launchpad before, message me and I'll get you in there. But all of you should have logged into Launchpad before. Click Launchpad. Click sign in, however they do. Your child should be able to get to the Launchpad during class. Then go to their book bag. And I have put all the apps that they need into their book bag. This is Raz Kids. This is what they're going to need. This is how they're going to read books to me during small group time. Here's their class dojo. Here's K-12. This is what they should be doing when they're not with me during the afternoon time. I sent you guys passwords a long time ago, long time ago for K-12. And then right before winter break, there's an email with all the passwords in a Word document. And I'm going to ask you to try to log in first before you message me. And then if you've tried and you still can't, go ahead and message me and let's get a time together so that you could get into K-12. And then during class, I need them to be able to get into Seesaw so that they can work on the internet alongside with me. Once they get into Seesaw, I'd like for you to go over how to go through it. We've been through it in class. But kindergartners, they need that one-on-one. They're asking me what to press, and I can't see their computer screen. So this is when I really need your help. Okay? Go to the light bulb activities. Tell them the light bulb. Go down to the green rectangle where it says add response. Click their name. And you should be able to complete the activity that I have up there during class, and I can help them in real time. I could be able to see their work just like in the classroom. This is very helpful. And then the last thing I need you to work on this week with them is getting back to me. Okay? Being able to find the tab where Zoom was, close out the tab so they could see me small again. And then go ahead and make me big. And the way you do that is by finding the green arrow in the corner of the screen. I'm looking for an example of it. Hold please. Minimize Zoom. So it looks, here it is. So when I am small, there will be a green arrow in a square. When they click on that, that's going to make the Zoom screen pop up again until they can see the whole screen. So these are the steps that the kiddos need to know how to do before Monday. Please, even over K-12, if you have already logged into K-12 and you know how to do that, but your child does not know how to do these steps, instead of doing K-12 this week, go over with your child how to do these steps when you get home from work, or if you cannot do it when you get home from work, sometime Saturday or Sunday, just whenever you have, they need to be able to do this on their own. If you have any questions, reach out to me on any of the ways that you know how: email, Class Dojo, phone number, text me, and I will help you this week. We need to get this under our belt so that we can get rolling and the kids can make their maximum potential in 2021. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for making 2021 already a success, and I will see you tomorrow in class.